Hello everyone. I showed you how much rain we got in the last week, and last night it went down to 30. Any water was frozen. So I know that that's finished off the sweet potatoes, but I tell you, they're all in pots. And the fact that we've had so much rain, I mean it just rained non-stop 24 hours a day for a week. I'm really afraid these guys down in here are going to be rotting. So I just got to get in here and see if I can find out what's going on. Funny, somebody said I faked these last year because my bins were all nice and neat. Well, these are the same bins, and you can tell I've been using these bins for a lot of years. They're really going to fall apart on me. This will probably be the end of it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I'm going to be happy with this one. That'll be the end of this one. Can you see that? God, I hope you can see that. All right. I guess I should go get my scale and see what that weighs. Okay. Let's see here if we put a rope between them. If I can hook these up. Okay, so 0. I hope that shows it's 22 pounds. 22 pounds. Okay. There's one. Here's a nice big one. God, there. This soil is just mud. I don't think there's any more than 7-8 pounds. So we'll pull the scale up and see. Pick them all up. And we're looking at 9.5 pounds. Okay. Everywhere I read, they tell me not to do what I'm about to do. But doesn't bring them in dirty. But these guys aren't dirty. They've been sitting in mud. So I don't see anything to be gained by trying to dry them caked in mud. So we're going to at least get the mud off of them. And as long as they're soaking wet, might as well get them fairly clean. This will be my fifth tub. We got 38 pounds out of the other 4. Over. one had some wire on the bottom and on the sides. The holes were, as you can see, it's had sweet potatoes burrow right through the bottom of it. So that's not as good an idea as I wish it would be. Obviously these tubs still are not deep enough. I checked with some other people, and they had a lot of these skinny little sweet potatoes like this, and they think it's because the first half of the summer was just so wet, just so much rain, that we really didn't get the sunshine that the sweet potatoes want, and they don't like all that water. And unfortunately, it was like end of July, into August before the dry weather actually started. Then, you know, most of the summer was gone before the temperatures, before the heat got to actually have sunshine with it. And by then it was just, you know, we got a great potato, tons of sweet potatoes. They just didn't get a chance to actually get any size to them. They just didn't get to cook like they want to. It wasn't nearly as hot. Alright, here's the next basket, and let's see what it weighs. And I guess 14 pounds we'll go with. So 47, 57, 61 pounds. One more basket to go. Alright, last container. I think I see a nice one. There we go. There's a nice one. And there's one. Small, but shaped all right. Okay, there's my bucket, and 9.5 pounds. So we add that to the 38, you go 9.5.